Good morning, this is meteorologist Andrew McCon with your Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Thursday, January 23rd. Thank you for joining us this morning. As far as weather impacts for the next few days, we're expecting some isolated to scattered upslope snow showers to continue across the central and eastern mountains today, while temperatures continue to moderate here for the next few days. We will have a weak system that moves through the area tomorrow, producing some rain and snow across the area, with another system coming in Sunday and Monday. Looking at the current satellite view this morning, we can see some cloud cover starting to stream in here to the Pacific Northwest, and this is the feature here off the Pacific coast that will come through our area during the day tomorrow. But as far as today, we can kind of see some of these clouds with the northwest flow kind of streaming in, and again, that's where we're seeing some isolated to scattered snow showers mainly across the mountains this morning. As far as weather impacts here for the next few days, again, those snow showers today. As we get into the day on Friday, we will have precip across the entire area, mainly expecting kind of a rain during the afternoon hours across the Snake Plain and the Magic Valleys, perhaps transitioning to a mix or snow late in the evening into the early morning hours Saturday, with all the other areas expected to see snow, but not a whole lot of moisture with the system, so not expecting a lot of impacts, but nevertheless snow will be in the forecast, and some of that snowfall will linger into the day on Saturday as well. And then as we get into Sunday, another system will move through, similar to the Friday one as far as temperatures are concerned. So again, a rain-snow mix appears pretty likely across the Snake Plain and the Eastern Magic Valley, with snow expected everywhere else. This system will have a little bit more moisture than the Friday system, but again, impacts and snow totals really are not expected to be too high with either one of these systems. And that moisture will linger across the area into the day Monday as well. And we'll talk about some of the totals here in a few minutes. As far as high temperatures today, as we've seen the last few days, our temperatures continue to moderate, with high temperatures expected around 40 degrees or so from Pocatello west over towards Burley. And as you go up the I-15 corridor and into the mountain areas, temperatures in the lower to mid 30s for highs today. And overnight lows aren't going to drop all that much, with temperatures kind of hovering around freezing, again from Pocatello west, with the colder spots, of course, across the mountain zones, and as you head up north towards the Yellowstone and Montana borders. High temperatures on Friday, again, about the same, maybe a degree or two warmer in spots, and the same can be said for the day Saturday as well, and that's kind of why we're going to have the rain-snow mix to deal with here throughout the weekend, with these warmer temperatures across the valley locations. As far as snowfall is concerned, like I said, we will be seeing quite a bit of rain-snow mix across the interstate corridors with these couple of systems. So snowfall totals across those areas not all that high, maybe get 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches across I-15 here north as we head up towards Medina. 3 to 4 inches across the Island Park, Eastern Highlands area, and again, similar totals across the Central Mountains. So even though we will have these two systems kind of moving through over the next few days, not expecting a whole lot of significant impacts, with most of the higher snow totals limited to the higher elevations. But we will have to keep an eye on things. Timing of when this system moves through could have some impacts on some of the rain snow across the lower elevation areas, but as of right now, it seems like most of the precip will be moving in during the afternoon times, which should keep most of it as rain. But things can change over the next few days, so we'll have to continue to keep an eye on it. But nevertheless, kind of an active period here for the next few days, but as far as impacts, not expecting anything too overly significant. So that's the good news. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you for joining us, and have a great day.